Hi friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to discuss about the common clitoral problems of a woman. So don't skip this video, let's go.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Commonly, a woman can experience clitoral problems due to three reasons. The first common reason is they have gone for any clitoral piercings. In the sense, it may be done by any untrained specialist, so that may cause so much of complications. And the next common thing is whether they stimulate their clitoris during any kind of sexual activities. Mainly, the woman who always using vibrators may also lead to this some kind of clitoral complications. And the third thing is female genital mutilation, in the sense the removal of clitoris or entire or the clitoral hood. So these are all the common reasons for the occurrence of a clitoral problems in women. What are all the common clitoral problems? The first common clitoral problem is sore clitoris. A sore clitoris can occur for many reasons. The first common reason is whether the woman have given too much stimulation to their clitoris or rough stimulation to their clitoris, which may be occur especially during a masturbation or during any sexual activity, even if they using a vibrator. So in the sense, when the clitoris get stimulated over, that will also lead to this sore clitoris. And the next common thing is whether they have wear a tight clothes. Wearing tight clothes also leads to irritate the skin of clitoris and will leads to this sore clitoris. And the third thing is whether they have changed their washing powder. Similarly, changing their detergents or washing powder may also lead to the irritation to your clitoris that will leads to this sore clitoris. And the disease condition that can cause this sore clitoris including lichen sclerosis or multiple sclerosis, and whether they have any trauma during their vaginal birth or vaginal childbirth or any surgery. So most of the women may trying to solve their sore clitoral pain by using a heat or cold pad. So these are all the first common problem of a woman who always facing a pain in their clitoris. And the second common problem is swollen clitoris. A swollen clitoris can also occur due to whether they had gone for any trauma during their childbirth or any surgery, and maybe using heavy handedness mainly used during any sexual activity or masturbation. And the third thing is related to your menstrual cycle. During a menstrual cycle may also some women may felt a swollen clitoris problems. So this is the second common clitoral problem that most of the women may felt. And the third common cause is bruising or bleeding in your clitoris. This may mainly happen due to whether a woman who uses a vibrator in high setting. So in the sense that may also create a bleeding, which may you have to note that if the bleeding that doesn't stop after 24 hours, you have to go for nearby doctor to prevent the other complications. So this is the third common problem of a clitoris in a woman. And the next common cause is itchy clitoris. A clitoris can go for itching mainly due to any infection like yeast infection or due to any vaginal thrush. So if there is any imbalance in between the good and bad bacteria or the pH of your vagina, that may also lead to this bacterial vaginosis or any kind of infection. And the next common thing is you may go for or you may using a perfume contain lubricant or latex contain condom. So this may also create a infection in your clitoris that may lead to itching and soreness and bleeding or some kind of complications. So you have to note that while if you have itching in your clitoris, you may try a latex free condom or a perfume free lubricant. So this remedy can helpful to prevent other complications and your itching symptom. So these are all the common clitoral problem that can cause due to your change in lifestyle or any other kind of personal hygiene related matters. So that's all about today. Next day I will reach you with another topic. Thank you all. Have a nice day.